Story of an Adventure. It's been 7 years since my family and I went on a family trip to the beaches of Dubai for my birthday. We had planned that trip 2 months ago, and we were excited except for my brother because he did not like to travel by plane. On the way to the airport, we met some cousins who were also going to travel, but not to the same place. When the plane was flying, I was playing with my brother. I passed the time. We also ate a little on the way and slept. My parents did not wake me up. We were arrived and I was very scared when the plane had landed. We arrived at the hotel and not my family was getting ready to go to the beach while I was playing with my cell phone. A few hours later, we were all playing on the beach. It was a very fun experience. When we finished, we ate at a restaurant that was nearby. I didn't want to go because I kept playing. I had also remembered that last week Dad bought me a beach balloon to play with. The next day my parents went swimming while avoid sand castles. Also those days I ate a lot of junk food, but we had a lot of fun. The last day we took a walk through a park that was near the beach. We had a picnic in that place. I met our friend. We when finished eating, my mom bought me a new cell phone because mine had broke last night due to a fall. And now we went to the airport to go home.